Hello there, all trumpet players across the lands of St. Bernard. This is Mr. Jaber coming to you from my home in self-isolation. I miss you guys a whole lot, and I hope you guys are keeping your spirits high, and I hope you're managing to still have fun through this very difficult time that we're going through with the pandemic. For now, this is how we'll keep in touch and how we'll communicate with teaching and our musical endeavors. This is going to be a video going over the Trumpet 2 part of Counting Stars. First, let me start by saying I have a weird trumpet. I'm not, as you guys know, I'm a woodwind player. I've been playing woodwind instruments my whole life. Trumpet's kind of a new thing for me. I don't have the best sound on it, but I can teach it. So I don't sound good on it, but I can help you guys with fingerings and rhythms that you guys will encounter on it. So cut me some slack. I'm going to try my best to play as well as I can on this little pumpkin trumpet from Mendini that I have. So here's the Trumpet 2 part for Counting Stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 3, 4, 8, 2 measures rest right here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 11, ready, go. One, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, and ready, go. All right. Not the most talented trumpet player, but I tried. So there you have it. That's my America's Got Talent audition. Hope it goes through all right. Okay, let's take a look at some sections that might have given you trouble just now. First of all, in measure 15, pickups actually. Three notes of pickup into measure 15. We're gonna come in on the upbeat of 3, so the and of 3. So it's gonna be 1 and 2 and 3. Ta 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 2, ta 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 2, ta 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 ta. All right, let's try it. Pickups in the 15, very important section for the trumpets. You guys join in with the saxophones and I believe the trombone. I don't know, I'm about to find out when I look at the trombone part in a little bit. So here we go. Let's try measure pickups in the 15. I'll give 1 and 2 and 3. Ta 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 2. Here we go. Ready? 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, few errors on my part, but that's the idea of it. Make sure that when you are playing a B, it is a B flat. Check your key signature. Do not play B natural, B flat. It's quite a low note. So let's go ahead and try starting in, let's see. Okay, count from 15. Put your finger on 15. I want you to go to 16, 17, 18. We're going to start in measure 18. That's going to start on F, E, D, B flat. Let's try doing those 4 notes together. Ready? And go. Okay, so yeah, it's hard for me too. You've got to make sure that you go down to the low B flat. Keep that pitch up. It's really hard to eke out, especially when you're coming from higher notes to those lower notes. It's really hard to eke it out. It might kind of come out like a splia, like you just heard from me. I by no means am the example trumpet player. Keep that in mind. You want a better sound than what you're hearing from me. This is just simply going over technicalities with fingerings and rhythms. So remember, the sound is where you want to listen to other trumpet players as well. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at now measure. Let's look at measure 47. So see that 4-bar rest? That's going to be after the 4-bar rest. So starting in measure 47, we have the melody. So that's going to be trumpet melody there. Here we go. Let's start there. Ready? 1 and 2 and ready, go. Long held out D there. So yeah, it's going to be to where woodwinds have the melody first for the first 4 measures. That's the 4-measure rest that you guys have. And then you guys join in the second half to repeat the same thing. So let's go ahead and try now the last line of the song. This is the very last line, like starting on measure 57. That's going to be ta-ya-ta-ta-ta-ya-ta-ta-ta-ya-ta-ta-ya-ta. Very important to line up those upbeats, right? So the first, let's view this as how many times you play F. So the first time you play F, nothing changes, it's normal. F, E, D, C, easy. The second time it happens, same thing. F, E, D, but then the third time we play F, it comes in on the upbeat. It's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, right? So let's try just the first measure of that last line. 1, 2, start on F, go. That's my bad. Try it again. Ready, go. Did you hear the upbeat part? That's going to be the difference. And it's going to keep repeating itself, especially for the trumpet 2 part. Nothing changes from that last line. Once you start it, it's the same the whole way through. All right, so let's try the whole last line together. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. So remember, it's going to be lower notes than we're used to, and that's not necessarily a good thing. You know, low notes are so hard to play on the trumpet. You know, a lot of us see low notes, we're like, oh, so easy, but it's hard to get those to sound good without them kind of sound like splatty. Like, honestly, mine kind of sound a little splatty. It's not something you want to replicate, just between you and me. But yeah, it is difficult. You know, and if you have a good low range, great, but you've still got to work on your high range. And high range people, don't neglect your low range. You've got to also work on the low range of the trumpet. It's really important that we get those extremes to sound nice and pretty, just like the middle range of the trumpet sounds really nice and pretty. All right, guys. Well, I hope my video helped you guys. Feel free to rewind to any parts that you had trouble with, and feel free to email me at kjaber@sbpsb.org anytime with any questions you have about the music, whether it's rhythms or requests for a video you guys would like, I'd be more than happy to consider posting it. All right, guys, I hope you guys have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy.